Morning class. Today we'll be looking at practice 3 of chapter 8.2. Remember to fill in your notes as we follow through this video guide. Let's look at practice 3a. We are given a right-angled triangle with two known sides 5.5 cm and 7.6 cm. We have two unknowns in this question. Firstly, a degrees and the hypotenuse b cm. Without using Pythagoras theorem, we want to find these two unknowns. So, before we begin, we need to find out what the three sides are first. So the opposite side should be opposite to the angle a degrees, which will be here. Next, this will be our adjacent side. And of course, our longest side will be the hypotenuse. So, we have our opposite and our adjacent side. We will think of toa in this case. Therefore, tangent A is equals to the opposite side over the adjacent side, which is 5.5 over 7.6. To find A, we'll use inverse tangent 5.5 over 7.6 to give us 35.89266. You have to round this off to one decimal place because this is an angle, and you get your answer. So now that we have unknown angle A, we still have one more unknown to find, angle B, and we cannot use Pythagoras' theorem. Hence, we are going to use the angle that we have found in part A to our advantage. So using two sides, in this case I'm going to use the opposite side together with the hypotenuse side. Hence, I'll use sine. If you like to use cosine, that's also possible by using the adjacent side and the hypotenuse side. It should derive at the same answer for you. Do take note that when you're using the angle from the previous part, you must remember to use more significant figures so that your accuracy will not be compromised. To form the equation, we have sine a degrees, which is 35.89266, equals to O over H. So my O is 5.5 and my H is my unknown B. So now we can cross multiply, and this would give us B equals to 5.5 over sine 35.89266. Press it on your calculator and you get 9.38136, which rounded off gives me 9.38 corrected to three significant figures. With this, please try practice 3B and also practice 4.